Welcome to your Fort Lauderdale new construction update for 2026. This is the first in a curated series of 12 videos in which I will review the upcoming deliveries in luxury development in the Fort Lauderdale area. The first up is located in the SoLo district of Fort Lauderdale. That is south of Las Olas, and the project is Sixth Rio. Sixth Rio is an immediate standout for one specific reason. You can purchase a waterfront residence and have clarity on the timing, the finishes, as well as the lifestyle that you can achieve here. They have 94 residences in this boutique development. Those are all highly curated to provide privacy, exclusivity, as well as an enviable lifestyle. Location at Sixth Rio is even more compelling. Located along the bend and curve in the new river, you are across from downtown with gorgeous views of the cityscape. This district used to be a quiet residential enclave, but is now quickly becoming a riverfront lifestyle hub with more development coming in the future. But Sixth Rio has prime location, and I happen to have a special guest here, Jean-Francois with Oceanland Development, the developers of Sixth Rio. We're standing here in front of your gorgeous Sixth Rio development.
Our latest project.
I know, I think it's outstanding. Can you tell me why this location, Jean-Francois? What is so magical about this spot?
If you look at the story of our company, we did over 30, 40 projects, and they all very prime location. And what I like about that location, it's not on the ocean. Many of our project is on the ocean. This project is right across the first house in Fort Lauderdale. And we're on the site right now where at the time, the Seminole were staying here. And that's why they built the sculpture here. It is in honor of the Seminole. It was sponsored by the Seminole. And the story was they built the first house here, and the ladies there, the owner was coming, teaching them to speak English, and they were trading with the Seminole at the time.
You've got your hands in everything on this project, Jean-Francois.
Yep.
What is your favorite lifestyle aspect here at Sixth Rio?
It's the walkability. You are at the bridge at probably 500-600 feet from here, and you're right downtown. And you can walk in the residential neighborhood, which is very safe.
That's wonderful. And I've been noticing a rise in the walkability and people just living outside. And our Downtown Development Authority has done many studies on that. And Fort Lauderdale, as far as connectivity, lifestyle, and walkability, where you live, work, and play, our downtown is one of the best in the country. And it's just right here at your front door at Sixth Rio.
It's crazy. You have a public not very far. You can, whatever you want, you install it in the area. Yeah.
I want to thank you for popping in on our video today. And
thank you for inviting me.
I'm looking forward to showing all of our viewers what you're offering here at Sixth Rio.
We'll be finished in October or November, and I hope you'll come back to see.
I absolutely will.
The pool deck will be pretty amazing.
That is one of my favorite aspects of the lifestyle here at Sixth Rio.
The pool deck will be amazing.
We're going to go up there, and I'm going to give everyone those view perspectives. It'll be great. Thank you so much for joining me today. Sixth Rio is a great investment option for you or for buyers looking to do something different in the Fort Lauderdale area. There are 4 things that make it interesting. The first being it's boutique in nature. Also, it has a near delivery completion date set for the 3rd quarter, which gives you clarity on your purchasing timeline. The third is you have financing capabilities here at Sixth Rio. And also, this neighborhood is ever evolving. So it has many of the compelling factors that investors are looking for. The HOA fees are only $1.16 a square foot, and the pricing is from $800,000 to $3 million, making it a very interesting entry point into the Fort Lauderdale luxury condominium market. Ultimately, Sixth Rio is just not another new development opportunity. It is the chance for you to get into a vision that is nearly complete. Sixth Rio is perfectly positioned and set to welcome you home south of Las Olas. If you're looking for more information on Sixth Rio, please read the blog. It will contain renderings and other information that you might find helpful. I look forward to hearing from you. Call me if you're interested in Sixth and Rio, and follow along for the next new construction development update.